What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at the general crypto market. We've had a green week in the market. A lot of the coins we've been tracking have been pumping. We'll be talking about that, and guys, we'll be checking the sentiments in the market. The sentiments actually neutral. We'll be deep diving into that and what it means for general crypto market. Bitcoin has been flashing the warning signs. We're talking about the Bitcoin price chart. We'll also be talking about the total crypto market cap, the altcoin market cap, and smooth love portion. A coin we've been tracking. I'll be showing you the warning signs that you should be careful going into this weekend with smooth love portion. I'll be showing you what I've seen in the chart, and guys, XRP, another coin we've been tracking, is also flashing some warning signals. We're talking about crypto news. A lot of news have been coming out related about crypto. A lot of bullish news have been coming out. We're talking about all those news and what they actually mean for the crypto markets. Guys, if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this and turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
So kicking off today's video, guys, you can see right here the total crypto market cap is currently approximately at $2 trillion. We're currently at 1.99 trillion, so approximately $2 trillion. Bitcoin is currently trading for 43,000 at the point of recording of this video. Ethereum is still hugging to that $3,000 spot, and XRP is just above 82 cents. Now, a lot of these coins have pumped on the weekly. A lot of them have had great gains on the weekly, but guys, there's a warning signal. We're going to the Super Bowl weekend. Guys, I'm bringing you the same information a lot on this channel. It sounds as if I'm repetitive at this point. I feel we should be careful going into the new week, guys. The market have been neutral. That's the fear and greed index that we're using to track the market has been neutral. You can see that yesterday it was 50, that was neutral. Today is neutral. That means the bulls and the bears, they can't decide who is taking it home. And it just happens that at that point in time, Bitcoin's at the critical level. A lot of the altcoins that have pumped are actually at the critical level. I've been saying it on this channel that I will be tracking Bitcoin, and the level we'll be looking at for Bitcoin is that 702 retracement level. That's that 46,000 level. You might be wondering why 46,000. Guys, when we use the Fibonacci extension tool, we go to the top of the last rally Bitcoin had before it capitulated to the bottom of the deep Bitcoin had. You can see right here, if you use this tool, it's showing us that the 70% retracement of Bitcoin will be at 46,665. Now, it just happens that the price of Bitcoin is almost at that point, and we're getting Super Bowl weekend, and a lot of these cryptocurrencies companies are actually advertising. We have FTX, they're going to be throwing Super Bowl ads. We have Binance throwing the Super Bowl ads, Crypto.com, and there's rumors that Coinbase would actually be throwing the Super Bowl ads. So all these informations come together while Bitcoin is actually getting to the 702 retracement. And if there's anything we know that, guys, anytime Bitcoin retraces to the 702, there's always a reaction. It's either we'll blast through it and we'll go to the moon, or will crash. And for us in this market that we have been in prolonged fear for a period of like 3 months, I believe the 702 retracement is going to hit us down. We'll come back and test these lows. So I believe this is what will probably happen to Bitcoin, guys. We're going to do something like this, then we'll come back here before we actually go back. Yes, that's what I think we're going to be doing. I don't think we're going to set new all-time highs. This thing might just be wrong. I think we're going to come around this 60,000 region before we finally crash down into the bear market. Right now, I believe Bitcoin is the bear market. I'm not scaring you guys. I'm not saying you should go and sell all your crypto. If you're investing, then you're here for the long run. Just hold on to your bags. At the appropriate time, you sell your bags. But if you are trading, guys, this is a time to be very careful. But before we go on, guys, I've already completed my course, Crypto Made Easy by Mr. Legend Crypto. Learn to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. If you're interested in this course, just subscribe to this channel. I'll bring you more information later. And guys, we can actually see that the total crypto market cap tool, we're going to be using the same tool we use for the Bitcoin price chart. We'll go to the last rally before it capitulated to the bottom of the dip. You can see that the total crypto market cap is currently at $2 trillion. And we'll actually need it to pump to almost like $2.1 trillion for it to get to 702. So we're expecting the total crypto market cap to do something like this, to increase by, let's say, 9-10%, and I believe in the next 3 days we'll see that increase. Now when we see that increase, a lot of people will get bullish, because that's how it is. When Bitcoin or when any asset gets to this retracement level, the 702, that's 70% of the retracement, a lot of people will get bullish. They're like, oh, the bull run is back, no more bear market, yada yada yada. But what's funny right here is that at this same price point on the 5th of January 2022, when we're at this same level, the total crypto market cap, and on Bitcoin, when we're in this level, that's on the 5th of January 2022, the market was in complete fear. When Bitcoin was in 47,000 on the 5th of January, the market was in complete fear because we were dipping from 69,000. But all of a sudden now, we're going back to that 47,000, and the market is actually going towards greed. So you can see what I'm saying. You get all the bad news at the bottom, you get all the good news at the top. And because of the Super Bowl weekend stuff, and because I feel more normies are coming to the crypto space, guys, I believe we are actually going to dump. Now, before we check the altcoin market cap and deep dive into it and see what it means for the crypto market going into the future, let's check some news articles. Let's check some new articles that have been coming out this week. Here, this one says upcoming Apple iPhone features give merchants ways to accept crypto payments. All of a sudden, we're getting this kind of news when Bitcoin is getting to its retracement level. It is very worrying. I used to say something, guys. Anything you are seeing in the news, it has already happened already. You are just hearing old news in the news. They didn't tell you to buy at the bottom. I was here in this channel telling you to buy. That was the best time to buy. All the news sites didn't tell you to buy because they want you to sell your coins. Now at the top, they want you to buy the top, and that's not all. iPhone CEO is saying that they have seen a lot of potential in the metaverse. And guys, this is actually disturbing because the last time this guy talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum was at 69,000 at the top right here. This was when Tim Cook was talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, saying he owns some Bitcoin, he owns some Ethereum, and he was getting many people to go and FOMO at the top. And this was the top. Bitcoin was 69,000, Ethereum was over 4,800, and he was getting people to actually buy the top. And right now you're hearing him saying he's seeing potential in the metaverse. If I'm holding any metaverse coins, guess what, guys? I'm gonna be selling it so fast. The next news article we'll be looking at here, you've seen NFT prices misfire as OpenSea daily active user volume dropped 30%. Now, I'm a very, very big supporter of the NFT space. I believe what they are doing is very good, but guys, I believe the space is oversaturated. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry wants to actually learn how to mint an NFT, how to make fun from an NFT. I told you guys, when the normies come in, when the people that don't like crypto, when you hear them talking about crypto, they want to make more money. How can I join? How can I make money from these things? And they're asking you, that is the time to sell your crypto, because that means the sentiment is at the peak. Everybody wants to get rich from that avenue, and when too many people are on a trade, the trade is going to go sideways. You can see right here that CoinDex is actually showing you how to mint your NFT. The last time I remember news sites showing you how to buy crypto and 10 cryptos to buy, that was the top. That was the top of the crypto market, and the market actually dipped after that. And right now they are actually showing you how to actually mint your NFTs. It's actually good if you want to know how to mint NFTs. I'm not saying you should not go and learn how to mint NFTs. If you want to know how to mint NFTs, this is a very, very good article. But guys, I will not advise you to be buying NFTs at the top. NFTs were trending since May 2021, and right now I feel that the market is saturated. Every project is just coming out with NFTs every day. Every celeb is shilling you different NFTs. Everybody wants to make money from it, and that's how you know we are at the top. You are hearing the good news at the top. BlackRock is planning to offer crypto to their clients. This is like, all these news are good news for crypto, don't get me wrong. But the good news actually comes at the top where they want you to FOMO. Now let's go back to the altcoin market cap. We'll come back and talk about Russia planning to regulate crypto and how they're saying that they'll be treating crypto as currency, and US is trying to give crypto hard time, and US Russia have issues, and now Russia is saying they'll accept cryptocurrency. So there's that whole talk. We'll talk about it later. But let's go to the altcoin market cap. Now this is the market cap of all the altcoins. That's all the other coins minus Bitcoin. And you can see right here, for all the altcoins market to actually get to 703 retracement, the altcoin market will have to pump almost 9%, just like Bitcoin. And after it gets to this level, I feel the FOMO will be real. Yesterday, the inflation figures came out in the US, and we had that inflation is over 7%, which is very, very high. And many people don't. But at the same time, in less than 1 hour, the whole market pumped back. And when you see the market very volatile like that, it means a lot of people have money on the sideline. A lot of people are waiting to see what will happen. So a lot of people have been afraid of the pump. This is a disbelief rally. I've been saying it all along. This is a disbelief rally. A lot of people did not believe in the rally. And because a lot of people did not believe the rally, they were holding their money on the sidelines. From this region, they're holding their money on the sidelines from this region right here till we have gotten to a critical level. Now that we've gotten to a critical level, a lot of them want to FOMO in. When they FOMO in now, boom, they will force them to sell here. The market makers will force them to sell at the bottom. Then we can go back to new all-time high. Guys, that's what I believe will happen in the market. I might be wrong, guys. I might be wrong, and the market will just keep pumping. It's the market. Everything can happen. But when we have too many buyers and few sellers, the prices will go up. But when we have too many sellers and few buyers, the market will actually dump. Now, SLP has been a coin we have been tracking on this channel. I brought you guys SLP when it was less than a cent. SLP actually went as high as 4 cents. That is over a 300% increase on your initial investment. Your $1,000, you would have gained $3,000 on it. That's your total money would have been $4,000. But guys, right now, I told you guys in my previous video about SLP that the target for SLP for it to reach a 702 retracement was that 4 cents, and SLP actually hit that 4 cents on the dot. And right now you can see that SLP has actually lost a little bit of momentum. It might just come back here. SLP might just come out here to just fake a lot of people and just come tease that 4 cents again, and boom, I feel we're going to come back to this region of 2 cents, 2 cents, less than 2 cents. I feel SLP will come to that region. Some people have been asking me, should I buy SLP? I'm like, chill first, wait for the pullback. Your job as a trader is to buy the dips and just wait for the dips. If you are buying the top, you'll be selling the bottom. But if you are buying the bottom, just like we're doing on this channel, guys, you will be selling the tops. Now, I've sold out some of my SLP. I've sold out for profit. I did that because I want to get more SLP when SLP actually dips. Now, XRP is another interesting coin. XRP has been one of those coins that have been a laughing stock of the crypto market. It was stuck at $1 for a very long time. Now, using the same Fibonacci extension tool for XRP, you can see that XRP from the rally before Bitcoin capitulated to the bottom of the bear market. If we draw that tool, XRP has actually touched its 702 retracement at 88 cents. I actually believe, guys, that XRP, just like the total crypto market, just like the altcoin market, just like Bitcoin and SLP, is going to fake people out and pump maybe some 10-12%, almost to $1. People will be like, oh, the bull market is on, the bull market is on, and then will crash. Because, guys, if Bitcoin is crashing, all your favorite coins is crashing. So anytime you're seeing Bitcoin is playing funny and Bitcoin going to crash, don't be deceived and think that, oh, I'm holding a good project, it's not going to crash. Guys, I have bad news for you. It's going to crash. And this whole Russian news about Russia will start taxing Bitcoin, just like India and some other countries, how they are accepting Bitcoin. It's very, very bullish for Bitcoin. At the same time, it's very, very bearish on the short time frame. Why is that? We're getting to retracement level, and that's when Russia is talking about taxing Bitcoin and being favorable towards Bitcoin. And then we're hearing people putting predictions of Bitcoin could go up to 200,000 in the second half of 2022. What are they telling you to do, guys? They're telling you to buy. They want you to buy the top. Now you're hearing Ethereum could get to $12,000. You check my previous videos, guys. I gave you my reasons why I believe Bitcoin can get to 200,000 this year. Ethereum can get to $12,000 this year. It's just mass. It's a Fibonacci extension tool that is telling us that, and it has always happened like that. Anytime these assets get to those breaking points, they actually always reverse. We actually have to go to the bear market. Guys, I want you to ask yourself this simple question. Do you think these institutions will be buying all these assets at the top? Or do you think they'll wait for the dip and buy the dip? The whales always buy the dip and the retails always buy the top, because the retail investors are always driven by greed, but the whales are always driven by fundamental analysis. And guys, the last news we'll be talking about before we end this video is that the US officials actually seeks $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin from the guys that hacked Bitfinex in 2016. And this news is very, very important, because what it's technically meaning is that 120,000 Bitcoin will probably be coming to the market, because now that the US officials have seized this Bitcoin from the people that hacked it, they have arrested them, yada, 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 they will give back the Bitcoins to the owners. And once they give those Bitcoins back to the owners, remember when they seized this Bitcoin has not broken its all-time high. Bitcoin was actually like 3,000, 4,000. That's when this Bitcoin was hacked. And right now, Bitcoin is currently trading for over $45,000. So all the guys that held Bitcoin at this level are up on their money. They are up very well. So imagine your Bitcoin was among the Bitcoin that was hacked. What will you do? You will sell. And that's what I believe will be the turning point in this market that will send us to a bear market, that the Fed has actually caught these guys that hacked the Bitcoin. It was very, very bullish news. People are saying it's bullish. You can see that XRP investors are FOMOing. These are good news on the long run, but at the same time, guys, these are bad news. You don't want to be seeing all this kind of news when we're getting to the 702 retracement. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more updates like this on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you have not done that. See you guys in my next video. Bye.